y'all, thank you to Tanashi's Hair Company. This is my second time doing a review for this company. This time they sent me a 20-inch frontal with three 22-inch bundles, and it's silky straight. And today I'm going to be showing you guys two different hairstyles, but just go ahead and listen. I am back. Face beat or whatever. Before I get started, I'm going to give him a shout out again, period, okay? Period. Y'all go shop with my bae Pure Outcast collection. I will drop the link below. Yes, this is Shannon's clothing line, so y'all go check it out. But my wig is already made. I showed you who this hair came from. This is a 20-inch frontal and 3 bundles of 22-inch straight hair. So what I'm going to be doing today, I'm going to be showing you guys two different hairstyles. Oh, hold on. Okay, I'm going to be showing you guys two different hairstyles on this wig. One of them is going to be, you know, I'm going to show y'all how you can do a Chinese bang. Well, let me not say that, because the last time I said Chinese bang, they was in my comments with the bull. So I'm going to show y'all how to do a bang, a fringe bang, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to show y'all how to do that without cutting your hair. Then I'm going to show you guys just something else, something really cute. I don't even know what to call it. So just stay tuned. I made this wig with the hot glue gun method. That takes me about 15 minutes, literally. I did not bleach the knots on this lace either at all. And I'm going to be attaching an elastic band to it because this will be a glueless method, and I will not be using glue on this, and I do not desire to use glue on this. And if you put the band in the right spot, you won't need to use the glue at all. If you haven't seen it already, go ahead and check out my video where I show you how to properly attach an elastic band to your wig. What I'm doing right now is creating the bang piece. I'm going to take 2 tracks, hot glue gun them together, but all together it's going to be 4 tracks. I just did this 2 times. So I did 1 set of double tracks and another set of double tracks. Then I'm going to glue them all the way together. After I've done that, I'm going to take some wig clips and then I'm going to glue them where the bang piece will be attaching to my hair. This got a little messy, so I'm just going to cut off the excess hot glue that dried up. And you can go ahead and do the same if yours is a little messy as well. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say, what I mean by the clips that's going to go into my hair. And I'm just going to cut off the ends that I don't need because, of course, the bang is not going to be that long. But pay attention to what I'm about to do. But first things first, I'm going to part my hair down the middle, get some mousse, and lay my hair down like that. Now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and get the clips and I'm going to stick them down into my hair. After I've done that, of course, it's pretty self-explanatory. You're going to go ahead, get a little tiny bit of the hair that is attached to your wig, and you're going to comb that over the tracks. Don't use a lot of the hair, just a little tiny bit. Now I'm going to go ahead and start to cut my bang. I'm going in an upwards motion because I don't want this to be a straight across, perfect, thick look. I'm going upwards because this is also thinning the hair out as well as giving it that choppy look. iron and bump your hair just a tad bit. Then you're going to brush it out, comb it out, whatever you choose to do. Most of the time, I'm using a brush. After I've done that, I'm just going to fix it up a little bit, blow dry the bang down. Then I'm going to get my flat iron and flat iron the rest of the hair so it can look, you know, like the hairstyle goes together. Cute or no? Let me know. But bye bang, time for the next style. This is really not something that I can explain to you guys, but just stay tuned, you know, follow these steps. This style is really easy to do as well, so just go ahead and stay tuned, enjoy the video. Feel free to give it a like and a comment at the end. Love you guys, just stay tuned. For my ponytail, I'm going to take some of the remaining bundles and wrap it around the ponytail that I made with the frontal. Then I'm going to stick a few pins in there and then proceed with the styling process. Go ahead and cut the lace off in a zigzag motion.